The original 13 colonies declared independence from Britain in the year. Answer B, 1776. The U.S. Constitution was ratified in. Answer A, 1787. The only U.S. president to serve more than 2 terms was. Answer B, Franklin D. Roosevelt. The oldest university in the United States is. Answer A, Harvard University. The U.S. state with the largest number of active volcanoes is. Answer A, Alaska. The Declaration of Independence was primarily written by. Answer B, Thomas Jefferson. The U.S. state known as the Land of 10,000 Lakes is. Answer B, Minnesota. The city that served as the first capital of the United States was. Answer C, New York City. The American Civil War began in. Answer B, 1861. The only U.S. president who resigned from office was. Answer C, Richard Nixon. The world's first nuclear weapon was tested in which U.S. state? Answer B, New Mexico. The U.S. national anthem, The Star-Spangled Banner, was written during which war? War of 1812. The largest freshwater lake in the U.S. is. Answer B, Lake Superior. The longest river in the United States is the. Answer B, Missouri River. The U.S. Supreme Court building is located in. Answer B, Washington, D.C. The first successful powered airplane flight was made in. Answer A, North Carolina. The Statue of Liberty was gifted to the U.S. by. Answer A, France. The first American in space was. Answer B, Alan Shepard. The only U.S. state to have a royal palace is. Answer B, Hawaii. The river that forms the border between Texas and Mexico is the. Answer A, Rio Grande. The largest national park in the United States is. Answer B, Wrangell St. Elias. The document that guarantees freedom of speech in the U.S. is the. Answer A, Bill of Rights. The first U.S. president to be impeached was. Answer A, Andrew Johnson. The first successful moon landing was launched from. Answer C, Kennedy Space Center. The economic crisis of 1929 is known as the. Answer A, Great Depression.